Welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be sharing a traditional table setting for the holiday season with all of those beautiful deep red wine colors for a traditional table setting. But I'm so excited because today, guys, I will be bringing you this video in collaboration with my wonderful friends. I have Styling with Gigi Faison. Her channel features home decor, tablescape shopping hauls, gardening DIYs, and not only is she a phenomenal creator, but she is one of the most nice, kind, caring, sweet human beings I've ever met. If it wasn't for her, I would not even be making videos, and that is real. I love her. And also my sweet little sis, Shawnee from Shawnee on the Spot. She's so artistic. She's so prolific when she speaks. It's like, oh my God, she's amazing. Like, I can't tell you enough about either one of these. And Shawnee does some of the most amazing DIYs, and also she's great at decor and design also. So I will leave their links to their channels in the description bar below. I'm getting a little emotional, but I just love these ladies so much, and they're my friends. We're not just content creators, they're my friends, and I appreciate and love them so much. So guys, as you can see, I went with some really whimsical contrasting patterns for linens and creating a really festive feel for my holiday table setting with these traditional colors, and I'm loving the way it turned out. And so guys, for my centerpiece, I have this beautiful red wine velvet runner, and it has this lush greenery with pine cones on top of it in lieu of florals. I went with this red velvet cutout with these Merry Christmas, and I think it's so pretty and it's so different with gold and that red wine, and I absolutely love it. And this is what inspired the entire tablescape. So what I did was, with my festive napkins that are in a different pattern and texture, and I'm bringing that in with this really pretty table setting with the gold salad plate, the red dinner plate, and this gold trim charger I've been loving all season. But as you can see, the table linens are so pretty with that little pine look with the little red berries and a little bit of gold in it. And it really works well with this red velvet placemat with the Joyce script on there, and it's gold. And I love it. And if you get a look at the linens, everything is so festive and so pretty, and I love it. And it basically goes with the gold cutlery and the gold tapered candles that you see, and it's just bringing the home all those metals and golds, and then the red wine stemware, and it all just makes sense, even though it's a little bit whimsical, but I love it. I don't want to be too serious when I'm making a tablescape. I want it to be fun. So I hope you guys like this one as much as I do. I absolutely love it. And I love the contrasting textiles and fabrics and patterns, which is so indicative of a traditional tablescape, and I'm just loving the greenery also this year. So guys, I hope you like it too. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps all of our channels so much. I also hope you're enjoying the holiday season, doing a lot of shopping, staying safe. Please don't forget to go check out my friends' channels. I will leave the links in the description bar below. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. And also guys, I'm going to be coming back in the next video with the promised video of the update for the DIYs in my kitchen. And I'm also going to be doing my holiday decorating for the kitchen also. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.